We are joined by BRS leader Talasani Sai Garu. Sir, BC has become a hot topic for the state of Telangana from Gully till Delhi. It is only 42% BC reservation that the Congress government is talking about. What does your party have to say about it?
See, the Congress had a malign intention when they have announced in Kamareddy declaration also that they would be allotting 42% reservation to the BCs. After their Kamareddy declaration, people have aligned towards them, the BC communities, seeking that might be it is possible, but knowing the fact that this is the same Congress party which has ruled over 50 years in this country. They are the main reason why it is the backward communities are still seeking for some help. So now, one event after the other, slowly every BC has understood that except for circus and drama, this Congress party is not going to achieve any 42%. They are not going to allot us any 42%. As yesterday also, they have created a big circus in Jantar Mantar, not supported by Rahul Gandhi, not supported by Kharge. Again, the Chief Minister has slipped, saying that Rahul Gandhi will come into power, then only we will attain the 42% of reservation. So what was your intention when you said ordinance? What was your intention when you said geo? What was your intention when you said ordinance is everything? This can give. Nothing other than implementing this in the 9th schedule will give us the right royal authority, right royal thing which we have to get a 42% reservation. The Congress party from day one, they always wanted to cheat these communities. See, back then there was no awareness. Back then there was no education. Back then there was no financial support for these communities. But after 10 years of BRS party's rule under KCR sir, he has supported every community with their own business structure, with schemes from the government, like sheep scheme from the government, like toddy scheme from the government, like any other BC community which are being made by their communities with their business. The support came from the government. Gurukula Pathashalas came, BC Gurukula Pathashalas came. There have been financial aids to go and study abroad. So many schemes have clearly made awareness in these communities that we are also part of these communities, which are stronger communities by population, and famously said by Rahul Gandhi also, हम जितना हमारा हक उतना. तो ऐसा नहीं दिख रहा है कि राहुल गांधी का पार्टी में ये करने का हमारे को they do have that keen intention. We all see is that they just wanted to bluff the communities. I have to warn Mr. Revant Reddy also that you are riding a tiger which will eat you up.
The tiger in this sense, what do you mean by tiger?
These BC communities are the major voters from the state of Telangana. You have misled them very badly. You have taken advantage of them very badly. You are cheating them on episode basis, which will hurt you back. These tiger which you are ruling or sitting on will eat you back.
Well, the Congress here blames that the BJP in center is not allowing this 42% reservation, where the BJP says that it is the Muslim reservation, not the BC reservation. 10% to Muslim is the main agenda of Congress party. What do you have to say?
See, firstly, basically, this BC reservation, the bill was passed in assembly during the time of N.T. Ramarao, during the time of Chandrababu Naidu, during the time of Rajshekar Reddy, during the time of Roshaya, during the time of Kiran Kumar Reddy, even KCR sir. When we have raised the same question to them, that passing the bill in assembly is not everything, we won't achieve whatever you are saying declaration, you have to implement this in the 9th schedule. Then they said, we are Congress party, we got independence to this country, we are the most experienced people, we know how to get it done. But today again, they are blaming it back to the BJP. Yesterday also, they have not spoken a single word about why you are asking about a Muslim declaration in this 10%. Nobody has said that. The entire episode was around KCR, around KTR. Yesterday, the CM sir's whatever dharna he has put yesterday, other than saying KTR, other than saying KCR, he has done nothing new. He has said nothing new. So again, his malign intention to cheat our communities will eat him up.
Then what exactly is your party stand on this reservation context of the BCs?
See, firstly, we want to demand the ruling Congress party first give what is in your hand. You could have allotted all the ministries to us, 42% ministries to us. You have declared a sub-plan, implement the sub-plan. You have declared 20,000 crores per year, implement that. You are given a corporation chairman, implement 42% in that. What is in your hand, you do first. Rest of the fight, we will also come along with you, because this will do greater to all the communities. This is not an individual's victory if it happens. We will be with you. What is in your hand? Now we have left over with 3 ministries still, after 2 years also, which is a shame in itself. Give 3 ministries to the BCs. You have budget with you. Give 20,000 crores in a year to the BCs. Implement a sub-plan for the BCs. All this you have said. All this you have announced. All this you have wanted to cheat our community, get our votes, then draw back yourself from it. This won't happen. We will not leave him. Our party stand is very clear and simple. 100%, whatever you have done in commodity declaration, you have to do it. Until then, all the benefits which have to come to the backward communities, which is in your hand, all the posts which have to come to the backward communities, which is in your hand, all the things which is in your hand, you implement them first. For the rest of the things, we will 100% come and fight with you. We are ready to come and fight with you, until unless you have a malign intention to cheat these BCs again, which will be your last election, if you won't fulfill all the promises you have done in Kamareddy. Thank you.
Thank you so much for speaking with us. So this was BRS leader Talasani Saigal, camera person Damodar Abdul Bashir, Hyderabad.